In case of semiconductor, current is obtained due to electrons in conduction band and holes in valence band. And therefore, total conductivity of semiconductor will be conductivity due to electrons in conduction band and conductivity due to holes in valence band. Conductivity due to electrons can be written as Ne mu E, where N is electron concentration in conduction band, E is charge on the electron, and mu E is mobility of electrons. And hole conductivity due to holes in valence band is given by Pe mu H, where P is hole concentration in valence band, E is charge on the hole, and mu H is mobility of holes. So for semiconductor, we can write the total conductivity to be equal to Ne mu E plus Pe mu H. For intrinsic semiconductor, the electron concentration in conduction band is equal to hole concentration in valence band. So for intrinsic semiconductor, we can write intrinsic concentration to be equal to Ni, that is equal to electron concentration in conduction band and hole concentration in valence band. So for intrinsic semiconductor, the conductivity can be written as Nie mu E plus Nie mu H. So Ni into E can be taken common, and conductivity of intrinsic semiconductor is Nie into bracket mu E plus mu H. Now let us write the relations for conductivity in case of extrinsic semiconductors. So for semiconductor, conductivity is Ne mu E plus Pe mu H. For n-type semiconductor, the electron concentration in conduction band is very large as compared to hole concentration in valence band, and therefore this second term can be neglected. And for n-type semiconductor, we can write conductivity as Ne mu E, that is equal to Nd E mu E, where this Nd is donor concentration, that is number of donor atoms per unit volume. The electron concentration in conduction band will be equal to this donor concentration, and therefore conductivity can be written as Nde mu E in case of n-type semiconductor. For p-type semiconductor, the hole concentration in valence band is very large as compared to electron concentration in conduction band, and therefore the first term can be neglected. So conductivity of p-type semiconductor can be written as Pe mu H, that is equal to NaE mu H, where Na is acceptor concentration, that is number of trivalent atoms, acceptor atoms added per unit volume. Hole concentration in valence band will be equal to this acceptor concentration, and therefore the conductivity of p-type semiconductor will be equal to Pe mu H, that is equal to NaE mu H. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel so that you will get timely intimation of new videos uploaded to the channel. Thank you very much.